What's up guys? We're back with the latest Apple news. We have a brand new iPhone 13, the most accurate Apple leaks on the planet. Ming Chico is back again. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. Apple is cooking some new surprises that might just change your mind of the iPhone 12 series, if you are actually thinking of buying, especially for those who are interested in the Pro lineup, or those who are still using the iPhone 11 series. I will say it is kinda better to wait for the iPhone 13. According to Google, Apple will continue and launch the same number of iPhones as this year. So starting with the mini, then the standard 6.1-inch iPhone 13, 6.1-inch iPhone 13 Pro, and the 6.7-inch iPhone 13 Pro Max. Furthermore, he says Apple is about to bring a crazy ultra-wide-angle upgrade. Apple is working on a brand new f1.8 aperture, 6p ultra-wide-angle lens. With that big aperture, the detail could be as good as the main camera sensor. One of the things you see with the smartphone ultra-wide-angle lens is that it is generally softer compared to the main lens. So Apple could solve that by using a high-quality lens. There's also another thing that you lose with ultra-wide-angle lens, and that is the autofocus. So on most phones, it is just fixed focus system, but Apple will be adding autofocus-capable ultra-wide-angle lens for the first time. So it's going to be drastically better than their f2.4 5-element ultra-wide-angle lens that is currently on the iPhone 12 series. Now, Ming Chico has a great track record, so very likely this could actually happen, and it didn't give us any update on the portless iPhone, which is also very likely to happen next year, as Apple plans to make the MagSafe the new standard. We got in the camera include the ability to shoot 8K video, a special anamorphic lens for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. All in all, rumors are pointing towards a massive upgrade on the camera side of the iPhone 13 lineup. Now, we have some more news coming from respectable sources. The Elect from South Korea reports that Apple is planning to use LG OLED panels for the next year iPhone models. Most of the current iPhone 12 models are using the Samsung-made display, so Apple wants to rely on Samsung as less as they can, and they feel like LG is a better option. And if there's one brand that can give Apple the same quality of displays as Samsung, then it definitely is LG. What's special about the next year's iPhone 13 Pro displays is that they could have the 120Hz ProMotion display with the refresh rate technology, aka LTPO. So, that is all in the next year. But I'm really excited regarding the iPhone 13 lineup. What are your thoughts on the report from Ming Chico, a brand new ultra-wide-angle lens upgrade, and perhaps a 120Hz display on the cars as well? There's also going to be a design change. A lot will be coming as we see more leaks. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Anyway, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 13 lineup? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pick it up. Heading on the way, don't you know I'm